Assalamualaikum student, good morning. I hope you are fine at your home. Today we will discuss chapter number 2, page number 21. That is, and the topic is meiosis. Okay, the topic is meiosis. Friday we discussed topic that is the mitosis, and this is a all about the cell division, how cell divides and how new cells form, how our body grows, how our organs growth in size. Each is done by the cell division and the cell cycle, that is the division of cells, how the division of cells takes place by two processes. Number one, mitosis. Number two, meiosis. Friday we discussed mitosis. Now we will discuss meiosis and then the comparison between mitosis and meiosis. And what is meiosis? Meiosis is also a division of cell, a process in which the cell divides. But here the cell divides twice to form two times to form four daughter cells. Firstly, the cell divide and form two. Then the two daughter cells again undergo to the division and form the four daughter cells. A single parent cell produces four daughter cells. Number of chromosomes in each daughter cell is reduced to half. Just you can see here, this cell, that is the parent cell, consists of 1, 2, 3, 4 chromosomes. But sorry, chromatid. But here you can see this is a daughter cell, and here just only 2 chromatid. So the daughter cell has less number of chromosomes and half number of chromosomes as compared to parent cell. It consists of two divisions. Meiosis further consists of two divisions. Number one, meiotic 1 division, and number two, meiotic 2 division. Meiotic 1 division, the number of chromosomes reduced to half. Okay, you can see here from this 2 onward, this then division is meiotic 1 division, in which the number of chromosomes is reduced. Okay, now the next is the meiotic 2. Meiotic 2 division is just like similar to the meiosis, in which the number of chromosomes double and remains the in which the number of chromosomes remains the same. Number of chromosomes retained means number of chromosomes same as the parent cell. If the parent cell have 2 chromatid, then the daughter cell also have 2 chromatid. Our cells are divided by two processes, mitosis and meiosis. In mitosis, the parent cell and the daughter cell, one parent cell is divided into two daughter cells, and they have same number of chromosomes. But in meiosis, the parent cell divides 2 times and it forms the 4 daughter cells, and the number of chromosomes is reduced in the daughter cell as compared to parent cell. It's all about the meiosis. If you have any difficulty, you can ask students. Okay, now here is a diagram of meiosis. Okay, in meiosis is a process by which the nucleus of a cell divides to form 4 daughter cells in such a way that the number of chromosomes in each daughter cell is reduced to half compared to the parent cell. It means meiosis is that process the nucleus is divided twice, 2 times. The first division is called meiotic 1 division, in which the number of chromosomes is reduced to the parent cell, and the next division is called meiotic 2 division. It is just like to the similar to mitosis. Okay, here you can see that this is a parent cell and having 4 chromosomes. But at the last stage, it produces 4 daughter cells, and each daughter cell has half number of chromosomes as compared to parent cell. In parent cell, there are 4 number of chromosomes, but in each daughter cell, it has 2 number of chromosomes. In this way, a single cell produce 4 cells, and again, a single cell can produce a 4 cell. In this way, the number of cells increases, and our growth and organs each increases day by day, just like a growth. Okay. It is also has a phases, and this is the first phase in which the number of chromosomes align. Okay, number of chromosomes duplicate, just like a chromatid. It forms here chromosome duplicate and it forms similar chromatid. In the next phase, the chromosomes align at the equator center, okay, at the center of the cell, and then in the next phase, these chromosomes are pulled apart from the opposite pole. It is a spindle fiber, and it creates a force, and it pull apart the chromosomes to this pole of the chromosome. Means के chromosomes के different poles जो है एक दूसरे को opposite direction में अपने पीछे की तरफ खींचते हैं. In this way, a group appears. Just like a group, this is a group, it appears and the cell breaks in this way. It also consists of a 2 division. Number 1, cytokinesis. Number 2, nuclear division and the cytokinesis. It is all about the nucleus division, and the last division is about the cytoplasm, and it is called as the cytokinesis. Okay, and from this phase to this phase is the meiotic 1 division, in which the number of chromosomes reduced, and this is the next, which is called meiotic 2 division. Meiotic 2 division is just like similar to mitosis, in which the number of chromosomes does not reduce and it remains the same as the parent cell. Okay, students, have you got it? Okay, the next topic is difference between mitosis and meiosis. It also, we can say, comparison between mitosis and meiosis. This topic is on page number 22. The first is that during mitosis, a parent cell is divided and form 2 daughter cells. Okay, one parent cell divide and it form a 2 daughter cells. Just like one parent cell, and it form through different phases, it form 2 daughter cells with the same number of chromosomes. Okay, but during meiosis, 4 daughter cells are formed. One parent cell divide and it forms 4 daughter cells with the half number of chromosomes. Okay, with half number of chromosomes. Because here 2 divisions occur, so in this the one parent cell divide and form 2 daughter cells. In meiosis, during meiosis, one parent cell divide 2 times and it forms 4 daughter cells. The next point is that number of chromosomes in the daughter cell remains the same, just like parent cell, and it has the same number of chromosomes. You can see clearly. Okay, it has the same number of chromosomes. In the next, if we put here in this shape, then we have to put in this shape here also. Okay, now comes to the next, that is during meiosis. During meiosis, mostly meiosis occur in germ or body cell. All type of body cells division take place by mitosis. In meiosis, number of chromosomes in the daughter cell reduces as compared to the parent cell. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 2, 2, 2 and 2. Which means each daughter cell have half number of chromosomes as compared to this parent cell. The third is that meiosis occurs to produce gametes. Only the gametes production take place by meiosis. Other all body cells and body cells divisions occur by mitosis. Okay, it is all about the topic meiosis. Today we discuss just meiosis and the comparison of mitosis and meiosis. You can say here at your board, if you have any difficulty, you can ask students. Here you can see that mitosis. Okay, this is a process of mitosis. Produce genetically identical cells, means as it forms as it is just like a parent cells. New daughter cells just like a parent cells. Result in diploid cell. It consists of diploid chromosomes. Take place throughout an organism's lifetime. Means throughout lifetime it occurs in all types of the body cells. Involving in asexual reproduction. Meiosis produces genetically unique cell because here two divisions take place. Result in haploid cell. Haploid means half number of chromosomes. And it takes place only at the certain time in an organism life cycle when it produces gametes. Involved in sexual reproduction. When the meiosis occurs only in the gamete production, so it involves sexual reproduction. Okay, students, have you got it? You can see at your screen the comparison between mitosis and meiosis through diagram and through their points. Don't mark, Tahreem Fatma. What's wrong with you? Don't mark. I can see. Have you any difficulty, student? No. Have you any difficulty, any student, regarding to today's topic? Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz. Your time is up.
No, teacher.
Okay, inshallah, we will discuss tomorrow next topic, chapter number 2. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, teacher.